Can you disable dynamic island on iPhone? So if you want to disable dynamic island on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. From your settings, you need to make sure that you're on the home page of your settings. Now, if you go with the search, which will be on the bottom, and search for dynamic island, then as you can see that you have no results for dynamic island. And if you also go with the general section, then you won't have an option of dynamic island here, because unfortunately, you cannot disable or turn off the dynamic island on an iPhone, as it is a core part of the hardware and operating system, enabling essential features like Face ID. But you can hide or manage the dynamic island activity, which is you can simply swipe to hide. If an animation is active, you need to swipe left or right across the dynamic island to make it disappear. Or you can also disable live activities. So go with your settings and then scroll all the way down and tap on apps and check individual apps to turn off the live activities for that app. Or just simply go and turn off the notifications. Tap and hold the notification or simply wait for the animation to finish to hide it. Close the notifications, and once you've closed the notifications, it will limit the dynamic island's activity. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.